Good afternoon. Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for rice. Where can I find it?
The rice is in aisle 5, next to the pasta section.
Thank you. Also, how much is this 1 kilogram bag of rice?
Let me check. It's $3.50.
I'm looking for a larger bag, maybe 5 kilograms?
Yes, we do. The 5-kilogram bag is on the bottom shelf.
How much does the 5 kilogram bag cost?
It costs $14.
Is there any discount on it?
Yes, there's a 10% discount this week.
That's great. I'll take one 5 kilogram bag, please.
Sure. Would you like anything else?
Yes, I need some apples. How much are they per kilogram?
The apples are $2 per kilogram.
Can I take half a kilogram?
Yes, of course. Would you like green or red apples?
I'll take half a kilogram of red apples, please.
No problem. I'll weigh them for you.
Thank you. Also, how much is this milk?
That milk is $1.20 per carton.
If I buy 2 cartons, is there any offer?
Yes, if you buy 2, you get 5% off.
Perfect. I'll take 2 cartons.
Great choice.
Excuse me, how much are these eggs?
The eggs are $4 per dozen.
Can I buy half a dozen?
Yes, we sell half a dozen for $2.20.
I'll take half a dozen, please.
Sure.
Do you sell bread here?
Yes, the bread is near the bakery section.
How much is a loaf of whole wheat bread?
It's $2.50 per loaf.
I'll take 1 loaf, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I need sugar. How much is a 1 kilogram pack?
The 1 kilogram pack of sugar is $1.80.
Do you have a smaller pack?
Yes, we have a 500-gram pack for $1.
That's fine. I'll take the 1 kilogram pack.
All right.
Excuse me, are these tomatoes fresh?
Yes, they arrived this morning.
How much are they per kilogram?
They are $3 per kilogram.
Can you give me 1 kilogram, please?
Certainly.
Thank you. I think that's everything.
Would you like a shopping bag?
Yes, please. How much is the bag?
The bag costs 20 cents.
That's fine.
All right, let's go to the checkout counter. Your total is $32.40.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept card and cash.
I'll pay by card.
Please insert your card.
Here you go.
Payment approved. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.